In this lesson, we're going to take things one step further and build a web app that lets users upload a file and then saves that file directly to your project folder. Yes, we're doing all of this with just Python and PyWebIO. No front-end frameworks needed. Let's look at the code. In the upload file function, we use file upload to show a file picker in the browser. The user can upload any type of file thanks to the accept equals / parameter. Once the file is uploaded, it's stored in a variable called uploaded. We then open a new file using the uploaded file's original file name and write its content in binary mode, WB. This allows us to save images, documents, or any other file type correctly. Finally, we use put text to display a confirmation message that says the file has been saved. Super simple, but really powerful. Now let's run the Python file. Once it starts, you'll see a web address. Open it in your browser and you'll see the upload button. Choose a file, for example, an image, and upload it. After uploading, the file should appear in your project directory automatically. Let's go ahead and check that folder. And yep, the file is there. Just like that, we saved a file from the browser to our local project with only Python. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next lesson.